Hey guys, we're here at the Sauer Range Day 2019. We're supposed to be doing a demo here in a little bit, and it's starting to rain. It's freezing, the wind's blowing like crazy. It even looks like some snow's coming down. So yeah, unfortunately, you know, shooting this kind of stuff every now and then, and you just gotta do it. I mean, I always tell guys that if you go out there, you're worried about the weather, you're worried about the conditions, you're not gonna get the greatest performance. Just go out there and do the best you can with what you got, because whether you are who you are at the moment, when the buzzer goes off and it's time to shoot, or the weather conditions, you know, they are what they are, you can't control that. All you can control is what's in front of you, and it's just knocking the targets out. Michel here, Sauer Range Day 2019 at SHOT Show. It's a great event where we invite nearly 1,000 people to come out and test various products and get to speak with our employees to see what's really going on within the company. There's so much going on here, from optics to ammo to guns to air guns to silencers. You name it, we're doing it, and we're even doing it now, light machine gun as well, which is pretty cool. But anyway, get into SHOT Show. I'm really excited about working with Laser Shot here, where we're going to be going over some fundamentals, what we're calling fundamentals with Max. If you know me, you know I'm very passionate about shooting, and I'm also extremely passionate about teaching and relaying information to others, so that way they can understand it. If they can understand it, they can believe it. If they believe it, they'll do it. And that's one of my little cheesy taglines, but I truly believe in that. They need to understand exactly how and why the firearms are operating in a certain way. So it's going to be my job to go over the stance, grip, draw, and reload, which are some of the basic core fundamentals of shooting. It might sound boring, but if you can do those 4 simple tasks, you can shoot at a high rate of speed with acceptable accuracy.